Hello, my name is Alex, and I'm here with a PCS Tech Bytes. Clever is Pinellas County Schools' single sign-on portal, and it makes it easy to access everything in the PCS digital ecosystem. So, what is the point of single sign-on? Well, once you get to Clever and you sign in, it makes it easy for you to access nearly all of your digital resources without having to type your password again. This makes it easy peasy to get into apps like Office 365, BrainPop, Adobe Spark, and much, much more. So to get to Clever on a district device is really easy. You would just go to your desktop and double-click the Clever icon. Once this opens, you will click Sign In with Active Directory or Log In with Active Directory, and then you're in. You're into Clever. Now, if you're on a different device, a non-school device, you would go to clever.com/IN, as in in, and then /PCSB to access the Clever portal. Now in Pinellas County, we have a ton of different learning apps, but scholars are only going to see the apps which are used by their school and their grade level. So for example, an elementary school student wouldn't see materials for a high school biology textbook. That's all for this PCS Tech Byte. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for all the latest from Pinellas County Schools.